another Friday shave, yay! And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you haven't come across me before, my name's Chris and this is CB Shaves. Right, what we're using, a gift from a friend and subscriber, Craig Will. He sent me this soap and matching balm, as you've seen in the thumbnail, and he sent me a lot of samples as well. I'll get round to them one day, Craig. I promise. I've just got that many soaps to get through. And also, he's sent quite a few YouTubers, shavers, samples and everything. So thanks very much, Craig. Thank you very much for your kindness. Right, and the soap is Devils on the Field by LatherBros. And it's a collaboration with Chris from Another Cut Above. And if you can see there, that's his channel. And he's a big fan of, well, it's not on this tub, I think it was because they changed the tub and the label from the original soap. And it had a Manchester United badge up here, because he's a big Manchester United fan who now lives in Australia. Right. Yes, a collaboration. It's supposed to represent the ambience of the players running out onto the field before a football, soccer game, and it's nice. I don't know any of the notes, but what I get from it, you can smell the grass, like freshly cut grass, but it's sweet. It's quite a sweet scent. Little bit of earthiness with it. There's something else. It's quite a unique scent. There's something else there, maybe fruity. Maybe orange. I'm not sure, but there's definitely something there. And that's what the pour looks like, guys. As you can see, with the glare, I'm battling with the sun again. Right, soap, here we go. Brush I'm using today is the Yaki 24mm red marble. I just thought it was fitting with being a Manchester United colours, being red. And it's, as you can see, it's the Yaki. So I'm just going to rest that in the sink with the water. Razor, and I know you're using yours as well, Will, because Will picked it. He said use your Parker variant, and there it is. So it's a sort of request shave. It's an adjustable razor, very well built. Very well built. It's a solid feel, good heavyweight, nice black coating on the knurling there, on the diamond knurling, and you can see the adjustments there. Now a lot of people think it goes from 1 to 5. No, it doesn't. So I'll take it to 5. And hopefully it'll focus. Can you see a little plus sign? Right, you go beyond that plus sign and it'll go to 5 again. But there's a little bit of play, so I wouldn't take it to 10. I would take it to 9. So you go round again, you go round to 4 with the little dot there for your dial. Look at the head on that, look at the gap. You could drive through it. And the head is the exact same head as the Merkur Progress. Excuse me, the adjustable. And speaking of Progress, this is where the razor came from. It's a copy of the Merkur Progress. And it's exactly the same on the head. Those two notches have to line up for your grades. I'll take that apart now. It's a 2-piece, long thread. Blade in there today. I'm putting in for the second use a saloon pack of, if you can see it, Gillette Wilkinson sword. Great blade, really nice blade, sharp. Single wrap. There it is. So we'll place that on head. Just let it drop down. Make sure that the notches line up, which they have, if you can see that. Screw it all the way down till it's closed. So it's on setting 1, and then adjust. So you know that the blade's seated properly. And I'm going to start it off. No, let's go for it. Let's go for number 5. So you can see the blade there. Slight bit of overhang to be aware of. So we'll get on with it. 3 flicks of the brush so it's wet but not dripping. Drop the soap in the sink while you're doing it twice. And get lathering. Sorry about that, guys. I've got no grip. So how are you guys doing? Are you okay? I hope you've had a great week, and I hope you're having some great shaves as well. I know a few of you have. Keep sending me your shaves of the day, guys. Gives me ideas as well. Some of you are having better shaves than me. So just keep dipping the tips because it can be a thirsty soap. LatherBros, based over in Florida. I'm just going to load the brush and then we'll add water as we go along. Let's wet the mush. I don't like using that one till the end. Right, here we go, guys. Let's see how we get on with this. So how's your week gone? Have you had a good week? I've not had a bad week. Work's been busy as always. Got to get busier. Amazon Prime, I've got a sale on the 21st and 22nd of this month. So I've got a really busy period coming up. Look at this, guys. How long did I load that brush? A little bit of a sheen on it. I could give it a bit longer. That's beautiful. Scent strength, I would say 5 to 6 out the puck. Gets slightly stronger with the lather. Maybe 5.5. Right, let the water out, get some heat in the razor, and let's get cracking. Yeah, I hope you've had a good week. Right, here we go, guys. First pass. Parker variant setting 5. Gillette Wilkinson saw blade for the second use. That is beautiful. I can feel the aggression on the blade on setting 5. There's only one person I know that's used it on setting 10 with no issues. I can only imagine like a setting 10 would be like a 6 on the Merca Future. Smooth feedback, if you know what I mean. There's no like loud feedback, it's like an even noise off the blade. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, thanks very much, Craig. Really appreciate it. So what blade are you using in yours then? In your variants? Because you said you were using the same razor today. And soap, what soap are you using? You didn't tell me. This is beautiful. I like blade exposure. I like positive blade exposure. just for the feel of the blade. Just letting the weight of the razor do the job. I've got a fly in the bathroom. That's nice. Not washing the soap off entirely. Slickness is there. LatherBros is, excuse me, I keep calling it LatherBros, it's LatherBros, isn't it? They have good slickness in the soaps. Right, I'm going to dial it down before I lather up. I'm going to put it on setting 4 for across the growth. Looking forward to the wild camp tomorrow with Mrs. B. Spend a night under the stars. It's been over a year. It's got to be nearly 2 years since we had a wild camp. But the weather is expecting to change over here in the UK. There's supposed to be some storms coming on Sunday. What's the weather like where you are, guys? I was told to somebody the other day, I can't remember who it was, over in Vegas, and it's 117 degrees. Right, here we go. Second pass across the grove. Yeah, wild camp. Already got the food. It's all dehydrated food. From Expedition. Their foods are nice. The other thing is, more or less come daybreak, you've got to get up and pack. Get back for the chickens and the animals for the morning feed. But it's okay. Be a nice break. And hopefully we'll get up, packed and back before the weather turns, these storms. I'm working my day off tomorrow. It's supposed to be my long weekend. I'm supposed to be off Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but they must be desperate to ask me to work Saturday. So yeah, we are short staffed. So I'm working my day off Saturday. And any of you guys working over the weekend, thank you for your service. Be aware of that overhang. That's nice. Just a quick rub with wet hands. That's nice. Good slickness with the second application. And I'm going to turn it down again. Use it as a variant adjustable. I wonder if that's why they called it variance, because it's a variance of the Mercure Progress. There we go, setting 3, guys. For the third pass. God, it's flying. Just got to gather that little bit out of the pork, because I don't want to wash the soap and waste it down the sink. Now this soap, I've been on the site I don't know if it's a one-off, limited edition or anything, but it's not on the site. But I'll put a link in anyway at the bottom of the description to LatherBros, just so you can have a look at the other soaps if you've never tried them or anything. Right, here we go guys, third pass, against the growth. Blade and razor working in unison. That's beautiful. Really is. Yeah, it is a nice scent. It's pleasant. It's not in your face. It's hard to say. It's not exactly a fresh scent either. It is unique. I'm finding it hard to explain the kind of scent for you, but it's okay. But then again, I don't suppose it matters much if you can't get it. And I must admit, and I'll be honest with you Craig, I was a little bit reluctant to use this soap on camera anyway, because it's no longer available. I like to use things that you guys can get hold of. And it's Man United. I'm not a big Man United fan. I'm more of a Liverpool fan. But to be honest with you, I don't really follow Liverpool. Well, no, I don't. I don't really follow football anymore. Rugby, yes. I'm more of a petrol head as well. Formula 1, superbikes, rally. I'll watch big games. I tend to watch like semi-finals and stuff like that and everything. A bit like what's going on like the Euros now. I lost interest because to be honest with you, the stupid wages that footballers are on now. It's ridiculous, and they reckon it's because they have such short careers. Yeah, whatever. It's all the sponsorship money. Commercials, a lot of them become presenters now. Or managers. Sorry if this is going on a little bit, guys. I've just started feeling a little bit funny. I haven't been right since the second virus jab, the vaccine. Wow, that's nice. I see a little weeper there then. Yeah, I'm finding it hard to focus. So if any of you guys had any side effects after your vaccines, here we go guys, pick up time. Mrs. B has as well. She says she hasn't felt right since the second vaccine either. She's more fatigued quickly. No energy. I'm finding it hard to concentrate and I'm forgetting things a lot more. A lot more than usual anyway. Didn't think that was possible. Yeah, a few little weepers there. But it's allowed. They don't count. And you got to offer them something, haven't you? That's nice. Full water rinse. Alum. No, I'm not doing it. Right, should get a bit of feedback after the blade feel. No, so the soap's done its job, protecting and the glide. No feedback whatsoever. That's nice. Full water it again. Nice fresh towel, thanks Mrs. B for looking after me. Right, what we got? I decided, I didn't even know, that's why I didn't put it in the thumbnail. I wasn't going to use an aftershave, but I decided on Lather at the last minute because I thought, it's not going to feel right to me. What can I put with it? This ain't a bad match. It's not a bad match at all. It's fresh. Even the Lather, it smells green, a green scent, you know. It's nice. And I'll put a link in the description to everything I've used. I'll put a link to LatherBros. Oh, sorry guys, matching balm, aftershave balm. And there's the ingredients. I think it's the ingredients, I can't see, I haven't got my glasses. Come on, don't be shy. So you need pea size. Like the weepers will stop so that the Alum Block's done its job. Oh, it's quite thick that. Yeah. Oh, it's a menthol in that. I think there's a slight bit of menthol in that. Very nice. Sorry if it's gone on, guys. But that is it. That's the shave. Like I say, I don't think you can get the soap anymore. I didn't see it on the side. Well, there it is. Devil's on the field for you Man United fans. Thank you, Craig Will. Thank you so much for your generosity, mate. Here we go. Thanks very much. I appreciate it. Let me know what blade and soap you used in the comments. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. Whatever you do, enjoy it and stay safe and have some fantastic shaves. Put the shaves of your day up in the description. And if you're new to the channel and tuning in, hit that subscribe button, give a like and leave a comment, ask me a question, anything you like. Enjoy your weekend, guys, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Thanks, guys. Stay safe.